Hello folks, so I just wanted to show you, this is my New Holland M115 1997 model, and now I have the problem that the buttons are not responding anymore. This is quite a common problem for this series, and I have already taken out the dashboard, and you can see the button panel is just connected with one connector to the main board. And I was lucky, I did found a cheap one in Lithuania. It's a company that ship it with DHL Express, so you have it in a couple of days, and it costs about 85 euros with shipping. So I will just take out the screen, and then I will reconnect the new button panel, and then we will see how it goes. Yeah, so that's the button panel replaced. Here we have the old one. This is just one-time use, and the problem is the buttons on the back here, they will go bad with some time if you use them or not. It's crazy, but so now we just connect it, and then we'll have a look how that works. Okay, that's the panel reconnected. Now you see we have the oil pressure here. It works. Coolant, battery, hours, RPM, speed, RPM for the PTO, and there's some missing information coming in, I think so. Yeah, but that's the problem solved. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.